Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter W. And you think of words that start with the letter W? Good! You're right! Windmill, whale. There are lots of words that start with the letter W. What are those yummy things we sometimes eat for breakfast? That's right, they're waffles. Our color of the week is forest green. What things do you know are the color forest green? Banana leaves are forest green. Some pants are forest green. This week, our number is the number 22. It's very easy to draw the number 22. And we are also going to write the word 22. See? That was pretty easy. Our shape is a snowflake. Every snowflake is different. They look so pretty when they come down from the sky. Our sight words are some, right, could, and his. Why don't you try to make some sentences using these words? Have fun and have a great week!